Welcome back, YouTube. So today I'm going to be making a video about how you can get any icon to be your app icon. So my laptop is having a little bit of a hard time screen recording, so I can't actually record showing you how to, but I'll explain it real quick. If you're on your phone and you have Google, do that, or if you're on your laptop and you want to make it your phone thing. But anyway, for your laptop, go onto Google, search up an app logo that's cool. For right now, for this video, I'm doing Spotify, and I like Spotify's logo, but I'm just doing it for the video. Say I want this logo on the screen for my Spotify thing. I went onto Google. I got this from Google on my laptop. I went onto Spotify, searched up cool music logo. I downloaded it to my laptop, and then I sent it to my phone. But that's basically the quick run back. But if you have Google on your phone, just use that, or have your friends send you an image or something. But anyway, so I'm going to show you what to do with this photo. So see right here, I have this photo. I'm going to be replacing it with the Spotify logo. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the Shortcuts app, and you're going to, I already have one, I'm just going to delete it. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right to the plus, and you're going to push open app. Find where it says open app, and you're going to push where it says apps, and you're going to find what app you want to open. So for this video, I'm going to be doing Spotify, and then in the top corner right here where it's a little arrow, push add to home screen, but then go to image. So go to the slide and go to image, edit the words to say Spotify. And then when you're done with that, you could take a photo or you could choose a photo. I already have a photo. Push that. Crop it however you want. I'm going to do it right here. And then you're going to just push add. Swipe out. And then there you go. You have the Spotify. I'm going to move it over to a free tab. And there you go. You have a Spotify app. So now when you push, so now look how sick just look how cool that is. Instead of having the green Spotify app like that, you have a cool logo like that, and you push it, and it just opens Spotify. So that's it, guys. Remember, just go to Shortcuts, push the plus, type open app, and then edit however you want it. And then it literally just looks so sick just having that. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Honestly, guys, I think I might customize all my apps, like my camera app, my photo app. I might customize everything and have a fully customized phone because I just like it. But anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe if this helped you. And honestly, remake a video and tag me in it so I can see what cool app icons you guys made. Bye, guys.